Hi, I'm Colby Logan. It's October again, and I'm wearing my pink shirt in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Just like you, I am a proud friend and supporter of Citizens Medical Center. That's why I want you to mark your calendar for Thursday, October 22nd for our first ever virtual fundraiser and breast cancer awareness event called Baking a Difference, where we will mix mocktail drinks and bake cookies together. Many of you have joined us in person for the Bunko fundraiser each year, so we look forward to our Bunko friends joining us virtually this season. Here's how it works. You purchase a ticket for the event, and we will send you the ingredients for up to 2 to 4 people depending on your group size. Buy as many tickets as needed for your group size and the ingredients you need, and join us on the live stream on Thursday, October 22nd, as we walk you through the entire process of mixology and baking, while at the same time inspiring you with stories and testimonials of how Citizens Medical Center is supporting and winning the fight against breast cancer. Every registered ticket holder and their guests will be entered for door prizes, which we will award live on the event stream. So, what are you waiting on? Click the link below to register for this event. Call your friends and start making plans for Baking a Difference on Thursday, October 22nd at 6 p.m. See you then.